Okay, so 2.1.3. If there are 67 terms in this arithmetic sequence, determine the sum of all the even terms of this sequence. Okay, so let us just quickly analyze this question. Sizame-ke ukuthi siwukhulume ngolimi lethu, ulimi kaMageba. So uma ngabe ama-terms ewu-67 atholakala kule sequence, sicela usitholele isum yawonke ama-terms angenwa u-2. So even terms means ama-terms wonke adivideka ngo-2. Okay. So let us quickly look at our sequence over there. Okay. So we've got 10, we've got 17, we've got 24, 31, 38. So siyanotice ukuthi iterm ethu yokuqala iyadivideka idivide u2 and iterm ethu esibili ewu17 ayidivideki idivide u2. Term ethu esithathu iyadivideka idivide u2, term ethu esi4 ayidivideki, term ethu esi5 iyadivideka idivide u2. So meaning if singa-generate nje i-sequence of ama-terms ethu adivideka divide u2, okay, so we can actually have u10 sibe noba no24 sibe noba no38. Okay, so what I always tell my students ukuthi nje all you need is at least 3 terms for you to tell ukuthi inhloboni sequence le, is it arithmetic, is it geometric, and so forth. So we've got 10, 24 and 38. So iwona wonke ama-terms lawa kanjani adivide obani u2. So sokhumbula ke thina ukuthi sithena when it comes to calculating a sum, okay, you actually make use of a formula of sum to an unknown number of terms. It's equals to n over 2, right, into 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So sabona ukuthi okay, for you to calculate the sum you need lezi zinto ezilandelayo. You need n, you need a, and then you need d. So we need all these things, guys. So sabona ukuthi thina we've got 10, 24, and 38. So already we've got a sequence. So in this sequence, so therefore we can see what our a is equals to 10. This is a amazwi ewethu ukuthi ubani u10. Okay, and we can easily calculate our difference ngokuthi sithi term 2 minus term 1 or term 3 minus term 2. So I do recommend ukuthi we verify difference yakho by using mhlawumbe at least 2 sets of consecutive terms, just to make sure nje ukuthi uqinisile ukuthi your particular sequence is actually geometric or arithmetic. Okay, so when it comes to your geometric, again uzobuka i-ratio yakho. I-ratio yakho uyi-confirm futhi uthi term 2 divided by term 1 ubuthi i-ratio yakho ithini, and then term 3 divided by term 2 ubuthi i-ratio yakho isafana yini. So in this case mesithi 24 minus 10 sithola bani u14. Mesithi 24 minus 10 sithola bani u14. Okay, ngokunjalo futhi mesithi 38 minus 24 sithola bani futhi u14. Then siyabona ukuthi no man, actually this is an arithmetic sequence and it differentiates u-bani u14 respectively. So we have our d there, u-bani differentiate to u14. And then siyanotisa ukuthi ke our first term la ilingana nobani ilingana no 10. Okay, so uma ngase sibuke le sequence le from ukusuka ku10 siyesofika kwi-last term of which u-term number 67. So sobona ukuthi u67 wethu can be divided into 2 compartments. U67 wethu in fact uyalingana nama-terms awu-33 uhlanganiswa namanye ama-terms awu-33. So uma ukuthi lo 67 lo suhlukanisa kabili, the perfect number we can get is actually 33 and 33, which in turn is actually equals to 66 terms. But siyabona la kule sequence ukuthi ke there's actually 67 terms. Okusho ukuthi since it's term esithi 10, sathi 17, sathi 24, sathi 31 and so forth, siyabona ukuthi every second term ayoni even term, uneven. So since our first term is even, our second term is uneven. Even, uneven, even, uneven. So in other words, lama term our 67 are going to be distributed, and your component is going to be component yaka even and yaka uneven. So since 67 and umuntu oqalayo la u-even, So it means umuntu ozogcina futhi kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba even futhi because awu 67 esewonke. So this is why since siyabona thina ukuthi man u37 wakhiwa u34 plus 33 terms, okay? Should it means ozoba ne upper hand basically ubani? U-even. So this is why u-n when it comes to ama-terms akho lawa esitha even uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-34 because siyabona ukuthi i-term yokuqala ibi-even vele. So sisambe 33 for even and 33 for uneven bese kuphinde kubuyela u-even futhi ozothi 34 u-uneven engakasho ukuthi 34. So this is why sikhona ukubona ukuthi no man since u-34 plus 33 u-67 lo 34 lo uzofola under u-even because u-even uyena oqalayo when it comes to our sequence. So I hope it was quite easy for you guys to understand. So therefore ingakho ke number of terms when it comes to your even terms yobani u-34. So since siyamazi n, siyamazi a, siyamazi d, esezinto esiyidingayo zicalculate ke isum, we can easily calculate our sum again manje. So our sum to 34 terms is going to be equals to, so our n is 34 siyabona. So lasibona khona n sifakele 34, so 34 over 2 into sithi 2 laphayana into sifakele a wethu lasibona khona a ubani a wethu u10, and then 10 plus, and then lasibona khona n siyazi okay n wethu 34 this is the 34 minus 1 multiplied by difference yethu ubani u14 guys, okay. And then our sum to 34 terms meshaya our bombers respectively goes about 8,194 guys, okay. So here we go guys, we've got our sum and we've got our 2.1.3, okay. So now we are going to be moving on to 2.2